what you got there? You ain't gonna make it, youngster. You gonna go home empty-handed. What you got? I told you that she is. Domino, domino, domino. I ain't gonna do you like that. You can have it. Your share of money.
Man, you know I done enjoyed things that kings and queens will never have. In fact, kings and queens can never get them. And they don't even know about it. And good times, I have had my fun. If I never get well no more, I have had my fun. If I never get well no more, oh, my health is fading. Oh yes, I'm going down slow. Now look at here. I did not say I was a millionaire, but I said I have spent more money than a millionaire. Because if I had kept all the money that I already spent, I would have been a millionaire long